Hey, Mark Nelson. Have you ever wondered, how do you make 10K a month? Yeah, I don't know what your goal was when you started on this journey. That was my goal. And for most network marketers, that's what it is how do you make 10K a month? 10K is $100,000 a year. Who wouldn't want to make 10K a month? So I'm going to give you some hints. 3 hints to make 10K. One is you need to be consistent every day. Hey, Sally. Hey, Sherry. Thanks for popping on. That's consistent every day. Diane Hockman talked about this as zero-level marketing. There's always going to be days, right, where you don't feel like doing anything. But the key is you need to have something that you know you're going to do every day. Maybe it's a Facebook Live. Maybe it's making a YouTube video. Maybe it's a social media thing. Maybe it's Instagram. When I say social media, I mean Facebook. But you need to consistently be out there every day to your market. Now, I know when I started, and I do my Facebook Lives on my profile, when I started, my friends were all family and friends. And I was really concerned, what the heck are these people going to think about when I start talking about business when I'm on my profile page? Well, I got over that really quick because, none of those people were. I love my family, love my friends, but none of those were paying my bills. And what I do is I do online marketing. So I started changing my friend list. My family and friends are still there. I told them what I'm doing about it. But I'm looking for people when I add people to my list is people that are in marketing, people that are in digital marketing, network marketing, people that I know I can help with things that I can show them. So we're getting back to how do you make 10K a month? I think the best thing is, 1 is be consistent. 2, not everybody likes to do Facebook Lives. I would do lives. And what I do with my lives is I download them. I do them on my computer. I download them to my computer. Then I upload them to YouTube. I do a little bit of editing, not much. And then what I'll do is on my Facebook page, I go put my YouTube video on. I link to my YouTube video. So what I'm doing is I'm putting all these things out there that I need to be doing. Now I'm also sharing snippets on my Instagram. Now it seems like a lot, but when I first started, all I would do was make 2 posts a day on Facebook. Now I do 1 or 2 posts a day, but I always make sure that I get a live in there so I can help. Getting back to the 10K. See, when I first got started, I had no clue what to sell. I mean, I'm a high school math teacher. Shoot, I like basketball. I like the lake. I didn't have any info products, so I had to find a company that had info products that I could market as an affiliate marketer because I didn't know how to make them. I needed to find what my niche was needed and then find a system that had products within that system that I could market for them. And I did that extremely well. But now I'm upping my game because 10K, what I want to do is I want to start playing. You guys see this lake behind me? I want to play. And to play is I only want to make 2 to 3 sales a month. So I'm doing that through high ticket sales. And I never knew how to do that. But a high ticket sales, what you need is you need your market. You need a funnel where you can send people that are in your market to a funnel to either watch a webinar or see a sales page. And then you have to learn how to bring people to that funnel. That's all it is. So if you want to know what I got going, put freedom down below, because if you can make 3K in commissions and make 3 sales a month, that's freedom. I can help. So if you want freedom, if you want to know what I got going, put a freedom down below and I'll shoot you a link to our web class and then we'll go from there. Hey, y'all take care. Thanks for popping on. If you're coming on live, put a 1 down below. Tell me you're live. You're coming on from 2, put a 2, say replay. Tell me where you're coming from. Y'all take care.